I am free after 10,000 years. Yet still my own brother thinks I am a villain. I'll show him my true power. I'll show him that the demons have no hold over me.
Are you certain of that, Demon Hunter? Are you certain your will is your own?
You reek of death, human. You'll regret approaching me.
Come then. You'll find that we're evenly matched.
We could go on fighting like this forever. What is it you truly want?
The Dreadlord who commands this undead army is called Tichondrius. He controls a powerful warlock artifact called the Skull of Gul'dan. It is responsible for corrupting these forests.
And you wish for me to steal it. Why?
Let's just say that I have no love for Tichondrius, and the Lord I serve would benefit from the Legion's downfall.
Why should I believe anything you say, little human?
My master sees all, Demon Hunter. He knows that you've sought power your whole life. Now it lies within your grasp. Seize it, and your enemies will be undone.
Our time is short.
I'm blind, not
I'm
deaf.
awake. I'm awake.
You dare speak to me?
Research finished. More lumber is required.
I grow impatient. Hardly a
Your
challenge.
building is complete.
Are there demons nearby? You'll regret approaching me.
Ah, the great outdoors. What is nature's call?
I grow impatient.
Where shall I go?
You dare speak to me?
Your building is complete.
Evil draws close.
My strength is yours.
Are there demons nearby?
Ah, the great outdoors.
Our time is short.
Waiting on you. Research
Blind,
finished.
not deaf. Is that all?
Point the way.
More lumber is required.
I'm blind, not
I'm awake.
deaf.
I'm awake. My path is clear.
You
What
dare
is nature's
speak to
call?
me?
Our sacred grove is
I
being
grow
desecrated.
Come no further, weakling. Lord Tichondrius commanded us to kill anyone attempting to enter this place. And we shall.
You dare speak.
Where shall I fight?
Are there demons nearby? I'm blind, not deaf. I grow impatient. Are there demons nearby?
Your building is complete.
The sleeper has awakened. Our time is short.
In position.
My strength is yours.
You
Standing
dare
guard.
speak to me? I grow impatient.
Your building is complete. Research finished.
I'm awake. I'm awake.
Your building is complete.
Is there trouble?
Your
Hi.
upgrade finished.
The sleeper has awakened.
Your building is complete.
Where shall I strike? I'm awake. Our time is
I'm
short.
blind, not deaf.
The sleeper has awakened. Where shall I strike?
Waiting on you.
I grow impatient.
Research finished.
Easily. You dare speak to me? Are there demons nearby? I'm blind, not deaf. I'm blind, not deaf. Is that all? Easily.
Our time is short. I'm awake.
Research finished.
Our time is short.
I grow impatient. Evil draws close.
We can't
Your
build
building
it.
is
Dare
complete.
speak to me? I'm blind, not deaf. Hardly a challenge. Is that all? Easily. Hardly a challenge. You dare speak to me? I grow impatient.
Research finished.
Demons nearby. You dare speak to me?
Are we being invaded? For the truth.
Great winds.
Grow impatient. Are there demons nearby? I'm blind, not deaf. Are there demons
By the
nearby?
great winds I come.
I'm blind, not deaf.
Your building is complete.
I'm awake. I'm awake.
You dare speak to me? I grow impatient.
The sleeper has awakened. Once. My path is clear.
demons nearby? You dare speak to me?
Your building
I'm
is
blind,
complete.
not deaf.
Research
Another
finished.
rock.
Dare speak to
Of
me?
course. I'll make short work of
I'm
you.
blind, not deaf. Vengeance is mine. Vengeance is mine.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
My strength is yours.
I grow impatient. Are there demons nearby?
At once. At once.
You dare speak to me? I'm blind, not deaf. Evil draws close.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Are there demons nearby?
Your building is complete.
Is that all? I grow impatient.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Blind, not deaf.
Research finished.
I grow impatient. Easily. You dare speak to me?
Hi.
Where shall I strike?
Are there demons nearby? Are there demons nearby?
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Ah, the great outdoors.
Your building is complete.
I'm blind, not deaf. Hardly a challenge. I grow impatient. I'm blind, not deaf.
Your building is complete.
I grow impatient.
Inventory is full.
Are there demons nearby? Hardly a challenge. You dare speak to me? I'm blind, not deaf. Are there demons nearby? I grow impatient. Dare speak to me?
Research finished.
Are there demons nearby? I'm blind, not deaf. I
Your
grow
building is
impatient.
complete.
My strength is yours.
Research finished.
I'm awake. I'm awake. My path, the sleeper, has awakened.
You dare
Where shall I
speak to
strike?
me? Are there demons nearby? I'm blind, not deaf. I grow impatient.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Dare speak to me? Is that all? Easily. Evil draws close. Are there demons nearby? Evil draws close. You dare speak
Our time is short.
I grow impatient.
Anudura.
I'm blind, not deaf.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Dare speak to me.
Research.
Demons nearby.
The sleeper has awakened. Where shall I strike? Our time is short.
I'm blind, not deaf.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Anudura.
Once grow impatient.
I'm awake. I'm awake.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Yes, me. I'm blind, not deaf. Are there demons nearby? Is that all?
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Impatient. You dare speak to me? I grow impatient. You dare speak to me? Easily.
Ah, the great outdoors.
Evil draws close. Is that all? Easily.
Your building is complete.
Hardly a challenge. Hardly a challenge.
Our warriors
Your
have
building
engaged
is
the enemy.
complete. Your building is
Are there
complete.
demons nearby?
Your building is complete.
Blind, not deaf. You dare speak to me? Is that all? I grow impatient. I'm blind, not deaf.
My path is clear. I'm awake. I'm awake.
Research finished.
Of course.
Are there demons nearby? Are there demons nearby? You dare speak to me?
Point the
Is
way.
there
I'm
trouble?
game.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
What is nature's call?
I'm blind,
Can I
not
help you?
deaf. Draws close.
My path is clear. Anudura.
Ah, the great outdoors.
I grow impatient. Are there demons nearby?
Create more moon. Your building is complete.
Are we being invaded?
I grow impatient.
Your building is complete.
At once. Of course. Anudura.
Your building is complete.
I'm blind, not deaf. Easily. You dare speak to me? Evil draws close.
Our warriors have
I'm
engaged
blind,
the
not
enemy.
deaf.
Create more moon.
Dare speak to me.
Create more moon wells.
The sleeper has awakened.
Are there demons nearby? I grow impatient. Are there demons
Create more
nearby?
moon wells. Your building is complete.
You dare speak to me?
Create more moon wells.
Our time is short. Our strength is short. Of course.
Are there demons nearby?
Where shall I strike?
Ah,
Hardly
the
a
great
challenge.
outdoors.
Where shall I strike? Our time is short.
I grow impatient. I'm blind, not deaf.
Your building is complete.
At once.
Ah, the
path
great
is
outdoors.
Dare speak. That is where the skull of Gul'dan is kept. These paltry demons will not prevent me from claiming it.
Once.
Your building is complete.
My path is clear. Of course.
Your building is complete. Your building
My
is complete.
strength is
Dare
short.
speak to me.
Is there trouble?
I'm awake. I'm awake. My path is clear.
Are there demons nearby? Now, at least the demons will no longer corrupt the forests. But if I destroy the skull and claim its powers as my own, I will become stronger than any of Archimonde's lieutenants. Yes, the power should be mine.
Now I am complete. Are there demons nearby?
What is nature's call?
My strength is yours.
Your building is complete.
At once. Anudura. I'm awake. I'm awake.
I'm blind, not deaf. I grow impatient.
Are we being invaded?
Your
For the
building is
trees.
complete.
You dare speak to me.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
You dare speak to me. I'm blind, not deaf. Is that all? Evil draws close. I grow impatient. Easily. I grow impatient. You dare speak to me.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Hardly challenge. Hardly challenge. Are there demons nearby? I'm blind, not deaf. Is that all? I grow impatient.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Dare speak to me. I grow impatient. You dare speak to me. Are there demons nearby? I'm blind now, deaf. Who are you? Let's see how confident you are against one of your own kind, Dreadlord.
My path is clear.
Are there demons nearby? I'm blind, not deaf. You dare speak to me easily. Hardly a challenge.
Where shall I strike?
You dare speak to me. Are there demons nearby? You will regret approaching me. Vengeance is mine.
The Sleeper has awakened. Of course. At once. My path
I'm
is
blind,
clear.
not deaf.
Your building
Our
is
time
complete.
is short. I'm awake. I'm awake. Anudura, our time is short.
I grow impatient.
Where shall I strike?
Are there demons nearby?
The Sleeper has awakened.
I'm blind, not
The
deaf.
Sleeper has awakened.
I grow impatient. You dare speak to me.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
My strength is yours.
Dare speak to me. I'm blind, not deaf.
Ah, the great outdoors. Ah, the great outdoors.
Where shall I strike? Anudura.
I grow impatient.
My strength is yours. Of course. At once.
Dare speak to me.
Ah, the great outdoors.
Your building is complete.
I'm blind, not deaf. Are there demons nearby?
Our time is short.
For Kalimdor!
I'm blind, not deaf.
Are we being invaded? What is nature's call? Hi! Ah, the great outdoors.
Impatient.
Ah, the great outdoors.
I'm awake. I'm awake.
Dare speak to me.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Great outdoors.
Foul demon! What have you done with my brother?
It is I. This is what I've become.
No. Illidan, how could you?
The leader of the undead has been destroyed, and the forests will heal in time.
At the cost of your soul? You are no brother of mine. Be gone from this place, and never set foot in our lands again.
So be it, brother.